Hello guys, let's do the deleting part today. So first we delete, we need to add a close button here. This one I'm gonna add it as I will add uh, uh, to complete button later. So let's add it, add the div for that one also. Div here at times. All right, class name left, middle, right. Let's open to do item. We need to add display flex here. Flex direction, we don't need done, it's by default row. So justify content space between, we want to add to middle dot middle flex grow one. Yeah, I think now it should work fine. Yeah, okay. Also I want this to have a cursor point. All right. Now let's add a delete feature. Nf and handle delete. All right, this one takes the index. So this is, I will get the index, and according to that index I will filter out the to-do list. All right, let's pass the handle delete function to the to-do item. Handle delete, handle delete here, handle delete. Okay, when I click this one, I want to make that function, I want to trigger that function. All right, let's add the functionality here. Let's rename it to selected index, so it won't confuse us because we're gonna work with indexes now. To do list dot filter, so I'm gonna loop through the to-do list array, then I get each item and the index, then I check selected the index, the array index should not be equal to selected index. So what this does, now we have the array, right? So this function only triggers when we click the close button, not every time. So when we click that button, it goes to here. Okay, sorry, I did a mistake here. We have to pass the index. All right, so when we loop through the array and render these items, we pass these options to work, right? But this one, this handle delete function works only when we click the close button. When we click the close button, it get the clicked one index, the item index, and pass it to this function. So in here we don't need the item. Okay, we filter the list, we loop to the list again and try to filter it. So I add the filter and I get the item. We don't need the item to do this, so we get the index. Now what I check is the index is not equal to selected index. in here what we do, we filter the uh, items that we didn't click. So if I type this one, that means it keeps the item that we click the close button. Okay, if I add not equal, that means we keep the all the items that we didn't click the close button. Okay, so here let's add field. Okay, when I click this one, what's happening? All right, so after we get the new array, we have to set it to the new one. Okay, here when I click, that removes and add it. Okay, so what happened, we filter those things and get the new array and set it to the new to-do list, set it as the new to-do list. So what happened here, again I'm going to explain it. So we loop through the array, we render the each item, we pass these props to them, and this one only triggers when I click the close button. So when I click the close button, it pass the that item index to this one. Okay, so in here we get the to-do list, we filter that list, we get the item and the index. We don't need the item, we need the index. So using that index, I filter uh, what I am filtering now, the item that didn't click the close buttons. So here we have a lot, right? Okay, so here when I make it equal, that means we filter only the items that we click the close button. So that means when I click this one, it will only shows that one. See, other two will be deleted. So I'm gonna add more. So now this is not equal. That means when I click this close button, that function, we filter all the items that we didn't click close button and create a new array using those items and set it to the to-do list using this set to do function. Okay, when I click this one, now it keeps the all items that I didn't click the close button and add it to the new array and render it. Okay, this is what happened. I hope you understood it. Okay, I'm gonna show you a trick now. Here, let's remove this one, anonymous function, and add the return and add the anonymous function here. So I use this method because it's much cleaner, and like this code is cleaner. This one add a extra step, but it's not matter. So I like having clean code. So I hope you like that method. Now here when I click, it works just like before. Okay, see you guys in the next one. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.